Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am sitting here at Pooh Bear's school waiting for him to get out. I just left the Dollar Tree and I'm here to show you what I picked up. So let's get started. But before I do, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'm almost at 80 and I'm looking forward to that. I'm super excited by my goals that I'm meeting on my channel. So I appreciate every last one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. And I'm gonna quit running my mouth and get into this haul. So I didn't pick up a whole lot, but I was excited by finding this, and it's the first thing I'm gonna show you. And it looks like this, and it says, can you see that? Because I know there it is. It's by Skin Nutritions, and it's hyaluronic acid. It says 1% plus vitamin C serum, hydration, radiant, antioxidant. It says it's a clinical formula that improves skin texture and clarity with intense moisture and balance, skin brightness and whiteness. And so I've read about this. Forgot where I was looking at it. It was like a product that was on Sephora or Ulta or something. And I was thinking about getting it. It's funny because now it's in Dollar Tree. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It does have a glass dropper. And so I'm going to read up on this a little more. I know that that's a good deal to find this for $1. But I'm going to read up on it a little bit more before I really just, start using it. But it says it's paraben free. Apply AM and PM after cleansing skin thoroughly. Apply 7 drops or several drops of product to face and neck. And it's oil free, silicone free, fragrance free, paraben free, and all of that. So I thought this was pretty cool to find for $1. Moving on, I found some cute gel pens, and these were on clip strips, and I had to get Wonder Woman. And it comes with 4 colors. It says smooth gel ink, and I've never seen these before. And the colors are what are on the tops. So you get those 4. And then because these are super adorable, I did pick up the Minnie Mouse ones, and those are the colors you get on there. So they're all different colors besides the red and the yellow. The one in this one, the yellow looks more yellow. This one looks a little like a darker orange, but we'll see. So I did pick up both of those. I did also get this one by Liquimark, and it is hand lettering pens. And then one of them is a fine tip pen, and the other one is like a chisel. And I picked this up for my daughter since she likes to draw and everything. I figured she can get some use out of this. I saw some more wall stickers, and even though I'm not really into mermaids all like that, I had to get this because it was so pretty. Look at that. And it's that foil type of look, or metallic, whatever you want to call it. I love the flowers up here. And what does it say? I believe in mermaids. And I just thought that was so cute. But my favorite one is this one. And it says good vibes. How cute is that? Look at that pot. This is so cute. I love that. There was another one. It was a unicorn, of course. They keep putting the unicorns out. But I didn't pick up that one. So those were the 2 that I got. Then over, randomly just picking up stuff over in the food section, I went ahead and picked up this, and it's a melon baller, and I just wanted it because I don't know what happened to my other one. At home. So I picked up this, and you have the bigger melon balls shaped down here, and then the smaller one at the top. So I picked that up. For my daughter, I grabbed her these socks because I think she'll like them. It's just some emojis, and they look like this. They're not the ankle socks. They go a little bit higher, but I just picked up these 2. They had some other ones, but I just thought these were the 2 that she would actually like. I got my dog another toy, and I thought this one was super, super cute. And it says it retails for $3.99. So it's this, and it has the ball, and it says ho, 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 with the, the rope that you can, swing around and throw it at the park or whatever. And it's really nicely made, and my dog is little, so he will not tear this up. And I just thought it was super cute because it's, Christmas. You can get this if you have a friend that has a dog. This could be a gift for the dog, or for your own baby. But yeah, I picked that up. And another Christmas item, you guys, I don't know if they're putting these out for each city or, you know, I don't know if we just got kind of lucky out here. But this is a hardback book that retailed for $9.99, and it says Santa is coming to San Diego. How cool is that? I thought that was so cool. And so I did pick up 2 of them. And one of them I'm going to give to Pooh Bear's teacher. That way she can read to the kids and she can have it or whatever. But it is a hard book, and it just looks like that. Nice little illustration and everything. But I just thought this was cute. Who is this by? Written by Steve Smallman. So hopefully everybody is getting these in their city for you to grab one, maybe to give as a gift to a child or something. But this is super cute.